You know how some ideas just catch on? They go from a simple concept to a full-blown global movement, while others just fizzle out. Well, today, we're digging into one of the biggest ones, the 5 a.m. Club. It's way more than just a book. It's become a daily ritual for millions of people chasing success. But what's the real secret sauce behind its power? And that leads us to the big question we're exploring today. Is the 5 a.m. Club's massive success all about the habit of waking up super early, or is it really about the incredible story that it's wrapped in? Let's figure it out. Okay, so first things first, before we even break down the 5 a.m. habit itself, we have to talk about the packaging. Because, you see, behind every single world-changing idea, there is an even more powerful story. Think about it. The best storytellers, the ones who really make ideas stick, they often follow a kind of framework. You could call it the 3A rule. First up, authenticity. The story has to feel real. It has to hit you right in the emotions. Then you've got to add a twist, a little something unexpected to keep you on the edge of your seat. And finally, you have to aim it right, meaning you've got to know who you're talking to and tailor the message just for them. So here's the bottom line. If you just give someone a list of instructions, they'll probably forget it by tomorrow. But if you weave that same idea into a story that they can connect with, well, that's the stuff that sticks. And the 5 a.m. Club is a masterclass in exactly this. So let's jump into our case study here and see how this all comes together. We're looking at a book that didn't just sell a routine, it sold a complete story of transformation. It used fiction to teach some very real-world facts. The author, Robin Sharma, did something brilliant. Instead of writing a dry, step-by-step guide, he created a whole narrative. We get to follow a down-on-their-luck artist and a frustrated entrepreneur as they get mentored by this mysterious, eccentric billionaire. And through their journey, we learn the secrets. We're not just being lectured. We're right there with them, feeling the change as it happens. And this quote just nails that feeling, doesn't it? It's authentic, it admits that change is tough, it acknowledges that messy middle part we all go through, but it also promises that gorgeous ending, giving us a powerful reason to keep pushing, just like the characters in the story. Okay, so what is the actual secret hidden inside this story? Well, it's a core habit called the victory hour, and it's broken down into a beautifully simple, really powerful formula. And here it is, the 20-20-20 formula. That first hour of your day, from 5 to 6 a.m., is split into 3 clean 20-minute blocks. The first block is to move, the second is to reflect, and the third is to grow. It sounds simple, right? But the science behind each piece is what makes it so effective. Let's break down the why here, because this is where it gets really cool. That first 20 minutes of intense exercise makes you sweat, which literally washes away the stress hormone cortisol. It also releases something called BDNF. It's a bit of a mouthful, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. But just think of it as fertilizer for your brain. It helps repair your brain cells. Then, the next 20 minutes of reflection, maybe journaling or meditating, gives you a moment of pure clarity before the noise of the day begins. And that final 20 minutes of growth, reading a book, listening to a podcast, is how you consistently build your knowledge, just like the most successful people on the planet do. But here's the thing. The book says this routine isn't just about what you're doing on the outside. It's actually designed to build and balance your entire inner world, which Sharma calls your 4 interior empires. So you've got your mindset, which is all about your psychology, your heart set, that's your emotional well-being, your health set, your physical body, of course, and your soul set, which is about connecting to a bigger purpose. The 20-20-20 formula is basically a daily workout for all 4 of these empires. The goal isn't just to be productive, it's to achieve total holistic success. And this simple phrase really sums up the whole promise of the book. The idea is that if you can just take control of that very first hour, you create this incredible ripple effect that elevates everything else in your life. So what happened next is fascinating. This powerful story didn't just sit on bookshelves as a bestseller in English. Oh no, it adapted, it evolved, and it truly became a global movement. And this is a perfect example of that aim it right rule we talked about earlier. The book was translated into tons of languages. In Urdu, for example, it wasn't just called the 5 a.m. Club. It was titled Uparta Suraj, which means the rising sun. That's not just a translation, it's a beautiful cultural reframing of the core idea. And you know why this resonated so deeply in places? Because it tapped into beliefs that were already there. In many cultures and spiritual traditions, the hours before dawn are already seen as a special,
sacred time for peace and reflection. So the book wasn't introducing some totally foreign concept. It was giving a modern structure to an ancient wisdom.
And get this, the book even gives you a target to aim for. It suggests that it takes exactly 66 days to lock in a new habit like this one. It's broken into three 22-day stages. First, you destroy the old habit, then you install the new one, and finally you integrate it until it's automatic. Giving you a number like that makes this huge goal feel totally achievable.
And the story just keeps going. Right now, on platforms like YouTube, creators are retelling the lessons from the 5 a.m. Club in languages like Urdu and Hindi. They're making summaries, they're adapting the story for new audiences, and they're making these powerful ideas accessible to millions more people. The story is alive and constantly being reshared. So, as we bring this all home, it's pretty clear how a powerful habit became a global phenomenon. It wasn't just about the routine itself, it was all about the story. So let's lock in those key takeaways. Okay, so let's recap. First off, a great story is what makes an idea truly unforgettable. Second, the 20-20-20 Victory Hour is a practical, powerful blueprint for winning your day. Third, remember that inner balance, those four empires, is just as crucial as whatever you achieve on the outside. And finally, the most powerful ideas are the ones that can be adapted and retold in ways that connect with people all over the world. And that really leaves us with one final thought. Whether you decide to become a member of the 5 a.m. Club or not, the biggest lesson here might be that you are the author of your own life. Every morning is a blank page. So what story are you going to write?